Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran. It's a hard shoe to fill for the son of legendary reggae singer Garnet Silk. With a need to carve his own identity, he made the move in 2023 to change his artist name from Garnet Silk Jr. to Garnet Alchem. Regardless, it cannot be denied that his music follows that authenticity of that of his father. In a sit-down with E Prime, Alchem says his music is filled with spiritualism.
Spiritualism as well, because I'm very big on that, ever since I was a child. Obviously tuned for the ladies, of course, we can't leave them out. You know what I mean? So yeah, everything. I'm a very versatile artist at the end of the day.
Now, even Alchem, with a reggae legend as a father, pointed to the lack of support from the gatekeepers of the industry.
Some of them are self-proclaimed gatekeepers, but them just there at the gate and them probably get a key for hole, So there are other people who have a duty, that they need to step up to.
Adding that the industry is grappling to survive.
Everybody more concerned about themselves because it's almost as if reggae is in a place of survival. So every artist individually is worrying about how they're going to get their message out there. Not necessarily about how they're going to collaborate with this artist, even though truthfully, if we all do that, it is going to have a much greater impact because how can they deny all of us at once?
Alchem is preparing for his performance at the inaugural Garnet Silk Legacy Day event set for this Saturday, April 26 in Mandeville.
I've always been thinking about doing this and, as me say, everything in divine timing and order. And we're just now bringing it all to fruition. And, it's a great feeling. My father dreamed a couple of people in the family, so them get the message and, it's a long time in the year them say them get a dream about him smiling. And that is exactly what is going on right now. So I'm expecting great things.
He is excited as the foundation looks to continue his father's love for charity and education.
My father would be very big on philanthropy and things like that. So, we're literally bringing one of his dreams to fruition. And we actually have a CXC initiative. We're actually, we're going to go around and speak to guidance counselors and see how we can aid students in, financing their CXC subjects.
Garnet Silk Day will see the likes of the late singer's dear friend Luciano and others making a special guest appearance. Now, on the international scene, Kendrick Lamar leads this year's American Music Awards nominations with a total of 10, including Artist of the Year, Album of the Year, and Song of the Year, Not Like Us. Impressively, he has 3 of the 5 nominations for Favorite Hip-Hop Song. According to Billboard, Lamar, who already has 3 AMAs, could tie Michael Jackson and Whitney Houston for the most awards in a single year if he wins in all 8 categories. Lamar is followed by Post Malone with 8 nods, including Artist of the Year, Album of the Year, and Song of the Year, while Billie Eilish, Chaperone, and Shabuzi tie with 7 nods, and following them with 6 nods each are Bruno Mars, Lady Gaga, Wallen, Sabrina Carpenter, SZA, and Taylor Swift. Swift holds the prestigious title of being the top winner in AMA's history with 40 wins. The 51st AMA set for this May in Vegas will be hosted by Jennifer Lopez. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thanks for watching.